You can totally add this. All right, so this is our fitness homework that we're going to be doing as part of the Drop 10 with a Friend challenge. The warm-up, you guys, two times through these three exercises. So if you want to do them with me, they're going to be slapjacks. So it's just, instead of a jumping jump, it's going to be clapping in front. So it's 1, 2, and if you want a modification, it would just be out to the side. Okay? All right, and then you've done your 30. All right, and then you're going to go into 30 alternating cross punches, just what we did on the video. All right, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to make it a little bit more dynamic, just jump into it, okay, for 30. All right, the third exercise that you're going to be doing is a plie squat. So you're going to be out like this, plie squat, and then up, reach up high. And then that's 2. And then reach up high, okay? And that's it. You've done one time through it. You're going to repeat that twice, and then that's part of your warm-up. Good to go. It's 20 of everything. There are 5 exercises. So the first one is going to be a lunge with an alternating lunge with a rotation. You're going to rotate the same side that you step to. So if you're going to be stepping, we're going to all step forward with our right. Okay, modification is stepping forward with your hands on your wrists. If you're going to do it with me, you're going to have your hands up here. Shoulder blades are down and retracted. Take a nice lunge out. You're going to lower your hips, and you're going to twist to the right side. All right, come back to middle, and then step up together. That's 1. Left leg steps out. Twist to your left side. Come back to center, and then up. And now we're going to lead with the right leg. Step out. Twist to your right. Come back to center. And up. That was 3. Modification, remember you're just here and you don't need to alternate, you don't need to rotate for a modification. Any questions regarding that? Make sure you take a big enough stride that you can lower your hips. If you're too close in, then you can't get your hips down and you've got too much pressure on that front knee. So take a big stride. So 20 of those, going right into a push-up with a modification. Everybody's going to do it on the edge of your bathtub, on the edge of a kitchen table, or a real modification would be against a wall. So you've got 20, all right? 1, 2, you can start out here if you want to, 3, or you can progress down to the edge of a table, dining table, all right? Or the edge of a bathtub, or you can go down to the floor, and you can be doing it on your knees this way, okay? 20 of these. The idea is that you're staying with a straight body on your push-ups. So the first modification is right against a wall. Your hands are shoulder width apart and right at your chest level. You're going to let yourself fall forward and then push back, okay? That's where I would start for 20. The third exercise is standing Russian twist. Okay, let's get out your James Bond, girls, okay? And you're going to have your feet flexed a little, your knees flexed a little bit. You're going to twist to your left, pivot on that right leg, twist to your right, pivot on your left foot. Okay, twist again. All right, if you want to, you can hold a weight or a heavier water bottle. All right, your abs are going to be tight. I want you to think about sucking your belly into your spine. All right? And then obviously the faster you go, the more torque you're going to have on your core. The fourth exercise is going to be for your back, okay? You're going to do this, you're going to go down if you want to, that's fine. You're going to go down so that you're in a plank position. I'm going to do it sideways so that the camera can see. And you're going to be in a plank position on your knees. And all you're going to be doing is having your hands shoulder width apart. You're going to be drawing your hand up towards your torso and then lowering it. And drawing the other one up to your torso and then lowering it. Okay, squeezing your shoulder blades behind you. This is working on your back. It's also working on your core to stabilize you. If you really want to put something into it and really make it more difficult, then get up onto your toes and you can do it this way. All right? But the idea is to put something soft on your knees down the ground, all right? So that's the plank, that's the planked, because we're almost in a plank, planked Russian row. The last one is going to be the 20-second parachute jumper, okay? So you're going to go down, and you're going to be like you're flying out of a plane. You're going to be contracting and squeezing your glutes, your back. You're retracting your shoulder blades and holding that for 20 seconds. So you're just going to have to look at your watch, all right? Then you're up. You're going to Okay, if you want to take like 15 seconds, that's fine with me. But you're going to go through that a total of 4. It's a 4x5 workout. 5 exercises, 4 times. Okay, 4x5. So take no more than 30 seconds and get back into it. And then your cardio finish, that's the 4th thing. You've got 1, 2. You've got 2 exercises, all right? And you're going to do them 2 times through. It's 2 times these 2 exercises. 20 squats, so you're just going to squat down and then come back up. Knees are shoulder width apart. Your chest is up. Let's have you guys do it with me. I want you to think about one thing. Your bottom is going so far back to the wall that you're going to touch it, okay? And the second thing that you're going to think of, because I said that only 1, but I'm adding 2, is that you're going to lift your toes up in your toe box, okay, so that the weight is distributed to the mid and rear foot of your shoe. That's it. Bottom back, toes up in your toe boxes. Any questions regarding that? 20 of those. The more you can flex at your hips, okay, that means, and they're in your knee, that means that you're going to get greater range of motion. We want to shoot for greater range of motion. And then the last exercise is 20 pull downs to knee on the right and left. You did it there tonight, okay? So it looks like this. All right, we're going to pull down this way. 1, 2, pull down hard. That's the emphasis, is the pulling down. If you want to, because we're going to finish our, that was the modification, you're going to be jumping into it. So it's, okay? Okay, pull down hard. And then you're going to go to the left side for 20. 1, 19, 20.